Papa. Very good. What's this? Mama. Very good. How about this one? Alex. Alex, how about this one? What's this? Alex, what's this? Alex? What's this? No, Wawa. What's this? E. Very good. What's this? Very good. You want to do cards? Want to do cards? Okay, let's do some cards. Can you do this one? Very good. About this, where's Alex's? Yeah, that's your nose. Where are these? Where's Alex's? Yeah, you're squeezing your fingers. Good job. Where's Alex's eyes? Yeah, I don't like to point those ones out, do I? Alex, can you do this? Arms up. Arms up. Yay! Yay! Alex, where's Alex's? Where's Alex's? Very good. That's your feet. That's your shoes. Where's your shoes go? Where do your shoes go? Yeah, where do they go? Where do your shoes go? Do they go on your feet? Yeah. Where's Alex's? Can I see the chalk, please? Where's Alex's? Alex, where's your ear? Alex, where's your ear? Very good. Alex, where's this? Yeah, your diaper. Very good. Alex, can you do this? Very good. You did a clap. Tiger. Rawr. See what else we have. Alex, what's this? What's this? Bow. Very good. Can Alex do this? No. Can Alex do this? What's this one?
Oh, he's doing it. Left hand.
Yeah, that's Wawa. Now what's the whole word? Yeah, you did it with your left hand for a second. Who's this? Yeah, that looks like Papa, doesn't it? What's this? Ball. Very good. Where does this go? Yeah, on your head. The hat goes on your head. Alex, where's this? Yeah, teeth. Very good. Alex, can you do this one? Touch your ears. Touch your ears. Very good. What's this? Moon. Very good. What is it? What's this? Moon. Very good. Alex, where's yours? Alex, where's yours? Where's yours? It's your hand. Where's your hand? Where's your hand? Yeah, that's your hand. What's this? Alex, what's this? Alex, what's this?
Rattle.
Rattle. Very good. Rattle. Alex, can you do this? Yeah, good job. You're smiling.
I can't get him.
Yeah, he won't do it for the camera.
I know.
Alex, can you do this? Can you do this? Yeah. Yeah, do it. Out. Do this. Point. Point. He half did it. He didn't do it. Alex, where's this? Alex, where's this? Alex. Alex, where's this?
He knows I'm video recording now.
Alex, where's this?
See?
Oh, no, he won't do it. Yeah, it's your tongue. He's sticking his tongue out. Alex, what's your monkey do? Very good. Very good.
How old is Alex? Alex.
I am almost 17 months. What's that? Yeah, Baba. How about this one? How about this one? Wow, very good. What's that? What is it? What's this one? Papa, very good. Ba. Yeah, what's this one? Very good. What's this one? E. Very good. Alex, where's this? Alex. On the board. Alex, where's this? Uh-oh. Where's this? Alex, where's this? Alex. Step on.
Ask him to yawn.
Alex, yawn. Alex. Where's this? Where's this, Alex? Where's this? What? You shy for the camera? Alex, you know this one?
You should send this to David.